Papa, Jim Armstrong, Virginia, Chetland, BC. Good morning. My name is Cindy Armstrong. I'm from Chetland, BC, and on the traditional territory of the Ninizaw people, with the migration of Cree from generations back. My mother is Cree, Métis, Scottish, and my father is Irish. I'm the sixth generation to live in the Peace River area. Before this, my family lineage goes back to the Michelle Band in Edmonton and the Red River Settlement. So I'm here to introduce my granddaughter, Claire Turner, who is now the 8th generation to live on the So a little bit about Claire. When she was born, she was so serious. Right after she was born, she just stared around. Not smiling, not making a noise, and pretty much progressed until she got here, actually, UNBC. She was a solitary, quiet child, lovely to be around, and we had to have a competition to see if we could get her to warm up to us and to smile. Very rare. Life was very serious for her. And when she lived, before she came into Fort St. John, she lived in a little place called Manawan, and there wasn't a lot of children there. So she created this imaginary husband and 2 children. She spent a lot of time with these people, and the 2 boys, my son and her brother, spent hours and hours torturing her. They would hide her family. They would run out. They actually threw the family out the window. So, right, until all of a sudden they magically were back. She loves these boys, but they really play havoc on this family. Anybody who knows Claire knows that she's a passionate soccer player. She loves soccer, but that wasn't always the case. When she first started playing soccer, it was hilarious because she would storm up the field and she'd say, "I'm not playing that game, those kids are rude. They won't share that ball." Send her back out and say, "It's a game, you have to get the ball." She just could not grasp that concept. You're supposed to share. That's the way life works. But now that she's at UNBC and playing soccer at a higher level, just try to take that ball from her. She's not quite so polite when it comes to soccer today. Academically, Claire has really made us proud. I look at her and I'm just in awe. I am the first generation to graduate in my family, to go to university. And so to see my granddaughter doing so well, she's made the all-Canadian status every year and in her 5-year degree, so we are very proud of her. And very proud of the fact that she's applying to med school this fall. So to give her we are so grateful for the First Nations Student Center here. They've really embraced her, made a welcoming space for not only her, but for all of our kids to study. They interact with elders and they always feel welcome. That's one of the things that she really has been vocal about. Being part of this place has helped Claire find her voice. It's helped her develop her respect, confidence, and kind nature. So our family is gathered here to celebrate Claire, but we also want to recognize the strong and confident Indigenous people who we are recognizing today. I'm so proud to be among this group today.